Now we are doing timing work. This is the Delco wheel which we will fix and tight it fully. See, Dad has now fixed the Delco wheel. Now we will fit the cam wheel. Its price is 1958.
Yes, sir.
This is the cam wheel. We will apply some oil so that it goes easily. Earlier this type of pin used to come, but from last 20 years this type of pin is manufactured.
इधर मेरा डॉट डॉट दिख रहा है, देख रहे?
हाँ रेडी दिख रहा है।
डॉट पे बैठा है क्या?
ये मेरे फोन से निकल रहा है।
तो वन बोर का बना दे।
We need to match these two dots over here to fix it properly. Nut. This is the worm nut which Daddy will fix now. On tightening, this worm nut is getting jammed, so we will change the worm nut. This is the new worm nut. Its price is 180 rupees. First you have to bring piston to TTC and then match the cam wheel dots. Downside there are two dots which we have to match properly, and above there are one dot on each side. Bring to TTC and keep point at just open position. This is the just open position. Here is the oil tank. This is the oil tank. Down is the filter plug. Till this level oil is present. This hole on the casing matches with this hole on the timing cover. This is the pump hole. The worm nut rotates this timing shaft and hence the pump works. Because of the pump, oil suction occurs and oil is passed to the oil filter via this path. After oil is filled in the oil filter, pressure is created and through this hole via the bolt, oil circulates in crank through the shaft hole. This oil filled plug is fixed on timing cover. From this hole, oil is circulated inside the crank. See, this is the where oil filled plug gets fixed, and through this shaft, oil goes inside. There is a hole here in this pin. It goes from here to connecting rod bush, which receives the oil, that is the crank bush, and here is from inside oil falls down because of the side play. From this side oil is collected down, that is here it is collected. There is another filter plug here which is connected via this line inside the chamber. From this hole oil is sucked up by the oil pump and passed upside through the rocker oil pipe to the rocker. Oil is received and passed to rocker valve, and from head hole through tappet rod space oil is passed down again. When oil falls down from the tappet rod, it goes down through this hole. Here are two small holes, one on each side. You can see here there is small two holes. Oil gets filled from this hole till here the timing oil is filled. After this there is another hole. From this hole oil is returned to the oil tank again. In short, this is how circulation occurs, starting from oil tank and supplying through crankshaft, rocker and again to the oil tank. This is the oil circulation of old standard 350cc. अभी डैडी टाइमिंग कवर लगाने वाले हैं. Now dad is going to lift and fix engine after 6 months of bypass surgery. Now dad will tight all the foundation stud nut. अभी डैडी टाइमिंग कवर लगाने वाले हैं. like our videos, do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.